In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line and paragraph spacing in a Microsoft Word document. This skill is particularly useful when you want to ensure that your document is clear, neat, and professional looking, whether you're writing an academic paper, creating a business report, or simply drafting a personal letter. So let's jump right in and learn how to do this efficiently. First, start by opening the Microsoft Word file that you'd like to edit. Make sure your document is open and on the screen in front of you, ready for adjustments. Having your document open is crucial as it allows you to see the changes as you make them, giving you a better idea of how your final product will look. With your document open, the next step is to select all the text that you'd like to adjust. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and the letter A on your keyboard simultaneously if you're on a Windows computer. For Mac users, this would be Command and A. This action highlights all the text in your document, preparing it for the next set of changes. And remember, if you only want to adjust a portion of your text, you can click and drag your mouse over that specific section instead. Once you have your text selected, it's time to focus on line and paragraph spacing. Navigate to the Paragraph section on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Line and Paragraph Spacing. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to a variety of spacing options. Clicking on Line and Paragraph Spacing will present you with a drop-down menu. This menu offers several common spacing options for you to choose from. You'll see numerical values such as 1.0, 1.1, 1.5, and 2.0, among others. These numbers correspond to the amount of space between each line of text. To clarify, 1.0 refers to single spacing, 1.5 means 1.5 lines of spacing, and 2.0 indicates double spacing. Choose a spacing option that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're working on an academic document, double spacing is commonly preferred. However, if you're drafting a formal letter, you might opt for single or 1.1 font spacing for a more compact look. And just like that, you're done. Once you've made your selection, the changes will apply to the selected text immediately. Take a moment to scroll through your document, ensuring the changes meet your expectations. Adjustments to spacing can significantly impact the readability and presentation of your document, helping your content to appear more organized and visually appealing. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adjusting line and paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. We hope this guide helps you create documents that are not only well organized, but also visually pleasing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips. Until next time, happy writing.